welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing really well. So today I'm going to be doing a brand new review of a product I've been waiting to get my hands on, and it's of the NARS Tinted Glow Booster. This is one of their brand new products which I thought would be really awesome to review, and you guys know how much I like tinted moisturisers and cream highlighters, and this seemed to be like the best combination of the two. So if you want to find out how good this is and also how to get this makeup look, then keep on watching. I love this. This is such a good product. It's so nice on the skin. It works really well underneath your foundation. It looks really nice as a highlighter. I've kind of mixed and matched how I like to use this product. I like to use it without foundation and just on its own if I feel like I'm having a really good skin day and I just want to put something on that just makes me feel a little bit fresher and a little bit more awake. This is a really nice product for that. It's also great for people that are on the go, that just want something to put on their skin but they don't want that full face makeup look, or they just don't want to put foundation on. They want something a little bit more sheer but also provides them with that nice dewy glow. It's a great product for that. So yeah, I love it. I'm obsessed. It's one of my favourite products right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends. And I'll see you next time. Bye!